Hello, St. Andrew School students. Good morning to you all. Here is your GK teacher. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe and spending quality time with your family members. Today I am going to teach you exercise number 7, that is life in deserts. In this exercise, all the animals uh, is given here are from desert area. So few descriptions are given here related to these animals. We have to understand these description and then write the appropriate answer with the help of the clue box. Now I am reading the heading portion. Desert animals have to deal with lack of water and extreme temperature to survive in the desert. Since water is so scarce, they get their water from the food they eat. Given below are the pictures of some desert animals. Read the descriptions and write their names with the help of the clue box. The first description is, it shelters in burrows during the day and preys on small birds and animals at night. And the answer is fennec fox. Second, it is a bird that prefers to walk or run rather than to fly. Answer is greater roadrunner. Third, it has large hoofs and is adapted to walk on soft sand. Answer is addax. Fourth description is, it is a bird that has white eye strip, brown head, varied wings and spotted tail feathers. Answer is cactus wren. Next, fifth one is, it is a strange lizard with large conical spines. Answer is thorny devil. Sixth, it mostly eats insects and is immune to the venom of scorpions. Answer is meerkat. Seventh question is, it is covered in a protective shell and is normally most active at night. Answer is armadillo. Eighth one, it is about the size of a domestic cat and sprays its scent as a defense against predation. Answer is skunk. So here we have completed our exercise number 7. Now come to exercise number 8, that is desert flowers. Here in this exercise, the desert flowers characteristics is given here. We have to read the question first and then we will write the answers. Now I am reading. Deserts cover more than 1/5 of the earth's land and are found on every continent. To survive in the dry deserts, plants store plenty of water in their roots, stems or leaves. Identify these desert flowers which have adapted themselves to the desert conditions and write their names with the help of the clue box. The first description is, these are small barrel-shaped cactus pollinated by hummingbirds. The flowers stay open at night to minimize the loss of moisture to the atmosphere. Answer is hedgehog cactus. Second, these are a specific monarch butterfly food and habitat plants. They bloom in lavender with tinted white flowers. Answer is narrow leaf milkweed. Question number 3. These are yellow flowers and are borne on a short stalk. They have 4 petals They are crowded into elongated spikes and stamens that are longer than the flowers. Answer is B, plant. Question number 4. These are small purple or deep blue colored flowers with prominent upper and lower lips at the top. Sorry. At the top of their leafless stems. Answer is chia. And the last question is, these are yellow flowers that belongs to the family of sunflowers. The leaves of this flower have a thick mat of short hairs giving it a grey-green appearance. Answer is brittle bush. Now come to exercise number 9, that is call of the wild. India is home to many species of wild animals which are not domesticated and live in the natural environment. Read the descriptions and write the names of the animals with the help of the clue box. All these animals and birds are wild. So first we have to read these descriptions. The first one is they belong to a group of mammals called primates along with apes, humans, lemurs and lorises. Answer is monkeys. Monkeys belongs to the primates category. Next, question number 2. They are the lizards of Sumatra, which are the biggest lizards. Each weigh up to 150 kg. They can catch deer and pigs and swallow them whole. Answer is Komodo dragons. Question number 3. They are the biggest hunting birds with wings that span up to 2.5 m. They catch tiny monkeys and sloths to eat. Answer is eagles. Question number 4. They are the amphibians that live both on land and in water. They are superb jumpers with long back legs to propel them into the air. Most of them have suckers on their fingers to help them hold the land securely on slippery surfaces. Answer is frogs. Frogs belongs to the amphibians category, amphibians family. Next question. They are the flying mammals of tropical Latin America that feed on blood, sucking it from animals such as cattle and horses. Answer is vampire bats. Now the last question is, they have a better sense of smell than any other kind of fish. They can detect 1 drop of animal blood in 100 million drops of water. Answer is sharks. Now here we have completed our exercise number 9 also. So students, do your work very neatly in your GK book and then send the pics in the class group so that I can evaluate your work. Thank you.